It's not something like Hello, welcome to my Structure Engine Services, the best in the Bradford in the big UK. Big thank you to all you guys who support our channel. We really enjoy doing these videos and helping you save time and money in repairs in your bad boy Nissan Navara or Pathfinder. Right, I've got a new fault for you today. We had a vehicle in and it just literally kept cutting out whether it was warm or cold. But this particular fault was slightly different to other videos. In this fault, where the engine had cut out, you'd hear a buzzing sound coming from in and around the suction control valve area. And that's actually because the Lambda sensor's faulty. Yes, the Lambda sensor's faulty. Now this is only relevant on automatics with a DPF filter, because this is within the DPF filter. The moment that they unplugged this, the buzzing sound went, so it was a wiring issue, yeah? So bear that in mind if you're trying to diagnose a fault, because it can be a pretty hard one, because there were no fault codes when we scanned the ECU. Right, thank you for watching. I hope that fault helps you in diagnosing engine faults for the future. Come again, more coming out soon.